Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Trending Reviews. So I've got the OnePlus 6. I'm going to give you a quick unboxing of it and then I'm going to go through some of the top features that comes in this phone. So let's get straight into it. Alright guys, let's go for a quick unboxing. So just open it up. So we have the phone here. OnePlus 6, this one is in matte black or midnight black. I really like the fact that a lot of phones are coming with the clear case nowadays. So you've got the user guide in the middle of that. Some safety information, SIM card tray opener and the clear case as well. And we've got the dash charging cable, USB Type-C and the UK plug as well. So that was a pretty quick unboxing. Let's go and take a look at all of the features that come with the OnePlus 6. Now in terms of the design, it boasts an all-glass design, bringing it in line with big name flagships such as the Samsung S9 and the iPhone X. It has a large 6.28-inch display complete with on-trend notch. It has dual rear-facing cameras, fingerprint sensor at the back, in the middle, and face unlock feature as well from the front. It also comes with a headphone jack and up to 256 GB of storage. It comes in 3 different colors. This is the Midnight Black or the Matte Black. It also comes in Mirror Black and in Silk White, which is available from June the 5th. The 128 GB and 256 GB storage models boast an impressive 8 GB of RAM, whereas the 64 GB model comes with 6 GB of RAM. It uses the Snapdragon 845 processor with an octa-core CPU, much like the S9. The rear cameras consist of a 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel lens with an f1.7 aperture and comes with both OIS and EIS. It has a 3300 mAh battery with fast dash charging, giving you 60% battery in about 30 minutes. The phone runs on Oxygen OS with Android 8.1. The downsides to the OnePlus is there is no wireless charging. It has only stereo speaker at the bottom and no official rating for water resistance, although OnePlus claim it still performs well whilst getting wet. For a lot of people, including myself, these aren't deal breakers, but it's worth mentioning nonetheless. Now finally, in terms of price, the 64 GB model starts at an impressive £469, the 128 GB models at £519, and the 256 GB model at £569. Now being so close to the flagship competition, it's definitely a game changer in terms of the value you get for the price, and I reckon in the years to come, OnePlus are going to take away a big chunk of the Samsung or Apple fans by producing almost identical specs as the top-end phones for 40% less the price. So there you have it guys, that's the OnePlus 6. I hope you liked the overview. I've got a video coming up with the Huawei Honor 10, which is another high-spec budget smartphone. I'm going to do a comparison with the camera quality on the pictures and the videos with the OnePlus 6 compared to the Honor 10. So keep an eye out for that. If you haven't done so already, please do like the video and do subscribe. And thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time.